Second wine is going to be Habanero Mango Lightning. Again, same logo, but again, the mango habanero is in orange, just like the jalapeno was in green on the other label. Super, super cool. An eye catcher. It's different. I love the sleek white wine bottles. I don't know why. I think that's very cool, but the whole package is very, very awesome. So, again, out of Washington State. Wow, vastly different smell on that one. Okay, brand new wine glass. Again, this is the Habanero Mango. Let's see if the colors are anything different. No, still classic white wine coloring. Oh, wow, that smells wonderful. That mango is the first thing that you get. You might get a little bit of the earthy tones from the habanero, but that sweetness. Oh my gosh, that mango is just, it's the star player. It's the MVP. Let's try it out. That is so awesome. You get like a sweet embrace from the mango, and then right away, as soon as you're about to swallow it, like your taste buds automatically switch to take in the heat from the habanero flavoring, and that blasts you. But then it finishes with the white grape flavor. It's a very, very unique flavor ride that you're going through. That is crazy. That's lovely. I just might have to get some of this sent to Erie, so a bunch of the other people can try this, because this is out of this world. This is crazy. Wow, it's almost like the pepper burn is like the replacement for the slight alcoholic burn that you would get from like a wine level like this. Very, very interesting. The burn is a little bit more intense than the jalapeno, but it's not crazy. It's like maybe at 1.5. Wow. Wow. Habanero Mango, Cowboy Pepper Wines. Very, very good stuff. This stuff is excellent. This one's gonna get a 9 out of 10 for me. You could put that next to like some white wines that I actually enjoy that could probably take over those, as far as like stuff I would get and pair with food. So, get you some Cowboy Pepper Wines. Absolutely. Again, out of Washington State. Love seeing stuff coming out of the Pacific Northwest. Used to live up there. Battleground and in Bangor, Washington. Okay.